Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Twilio Verify for phone authentication step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Twilio Verify, first, create an account on the Twilio. Once you have signed up, log in to your Twilio console. Navigate to the Verify section in the dashboard. Click on Get Started to initialize the Verify service. After that, create a new Verify service by clicking on the Add a Service button. Fill in the necessary details for your new service, such as the service name and other relevant information. Once you have inputted the details, click on Create to finalize your new Verify service. You will now see your service listed in the dashboard. Make a note of your service SID, as you will need this for the authorization process. Next, head to your development environment to set up your programming language of choice. Install the Twilio SDK for your programming language if you haven't already. For example, in Node.js, use the npm command, npm install Twilio. Now, import the Twilio library in your code. Set up your authentication credentials by entering your account ID and auth token. You can find these credentials in your Twilio console under the Settings section. With your credentials set, create a function to initiate the verification process. This function will take the phone number and the verification channel as parameters. Call the Twilio Verify service to send a verification code to the provided phone number. Make sure to handle any potential errors in this step. Next, create a separate function to verify the code entered by the user. This function will take the phone number and the verification code as inputs. Call the Twilio Verify service again to check if the verification code is correct. Handle the response by checking whether the verification was successful or not. If the verification is successful, grant access to the user or proceed with the next steps of your application. If the verification fails, inform the user and provide an option to retry. Finally, ensure to test your implementation with various scenarios to confirm its reliability. With those steps completed, your Twilio Verify authorization for phone authentication should now be operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.